like a G6, like a G6, like a G6. Now I'm feeling so fly, like a G6, like a G6, like a G6.
Okay, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today we had the privilege of having Mr. Dave Cook who joined us with this model helicopter. And as you can see in the video in just a while, he brought along his Jet Ranger. Well, inside the Jet Ranger, he told us that he had some different parts from different helicopters which makes up into one helicopter. Okay, in the video he will describe to you what are the parts from different helicopters which you make into this scale model. Okay, have fun, and once again thank you Dave Cook for joining us on this beautiful Sunday.
Works.
Okay. More?
Frankenstein Jr.
Alright, thank you, that's very nice. Okay, now we have a KDS Jet Ranger fuselage, and what's inside? It's a mixture of Copter X mechanism. The frame is the Copter X frame, and we got the swash. Swash is the KDS 450 SV swash. And then we got the rotor head. And that's the Gowie's
FBL head.
FBL head, and this one for 425 or?
No, it's 450.
450. Okay, it's a complete fly ballast setup using a screw cam 720. Alright.
Mini Titan boom with Mini Titan belt and swinging 360mm SAM blades.
360mm blades. Okay.
Actually, it's big curve by quarter. Yeah, hot and all that. Okay,
You want to come around this side. The flying frame is secured to the fuselage frame with a bolt going through some rubber grommets. So there's a rubber grommet inside the cross member. The bolt goes through that. It then sits on another rubber grommet and then screwed into the flying frame. So there's no mechanical direct contact between the frame and the body shell.
Okay, yeah, that's good.
And then the boom itself has got foam insulation around it, so it isolates it from the body shell.
Okay.
That's it.
That kills all the sound and the noise?
That kills all the sound and the noise, because there's no mechanical vibration being transmitted to the shell.
Thank you very much. This is Dave Cook, all the way from Pasir Ris. Yes.
Now I'm feeling so fly like a G6.